It is a great satisfaction to greet you, and I hope you find yourself well, both you and your pet. In today's video we will talk about the following. Why do your dog's ears smell? What you should do? Let's find out now. Have you noticed that your dog's ears smell? This can actually be a sign of a problem with your dog's ears, from earwax accumulating to infection. Here's what you need to know, from the causes of odor to tips for cleaning and preventing ear problems. 1. What is the cause of bad smell in the ears of a dog? These are some of the most common causes. Accumulation of wax in the ears. Wax buildup can occur if the normal self-cleaning mechanism of your dog's ear is disturbed. Your dog may not be bothered at all. The earwax will be yellow in color. This type of wax buildup can cause an odor change in your dog's ears, but it will be a slight odor. The problem can usually be solved by cleaning his ears. Fungal infections. Yeast infections in the ears are quite common and can cause a more pronounced odor. Yeast infections occur when there is an overproduction of candida, which is a fungus in your dog's body. In many cases, a yeast infection causes what is described as a sweet or musty odor. There may also be redness and discharge from the ear, which is usually brown in color. Yeast infections should be examined by your vet. Your vet can perform a cytology, take a swab of the discharge to look at it under a microscope, to diagnose this problem. Treatment may include antifungal drops or an ear cleaner and, in difficult-to-treat cases, an oral antifungal medication. You can clean your dog's ears at home with a veterinary-used cleaner, but don't clean his ears for 24 hours before his appointment, as this can make diagnosis difficult. Bacterial infections. A bacterial ear infection usually causes the most severe symptoms. Don't try to clean your dog's ears at home before seeing your vet. With certain types of bacteria, you can smell your ear from across the room. In these cases, there will be redness, swelling, and pain that is sometimes quite significant, and the discharge will be pus, or a blood-tinged fluid. Your vet should confirm the presence of bacteria. Bacterial ear infections are treated with antibiotic ear drops and sometimes oral antibiotics. In resistant cases that do not respond to routine treatment, a culture can be performed to determine the exact type of bacteria in the appropriate antibiotic treatment. If the infection is severe enough to cause significant swelling in your ear, you may need oral steroids to reduce pain and swelling. These cases should be examined by your vet as soon as possible. Mixed ear infections. Mixed infections, where bacteria and fungi are present, are common. Symptoms can vary, depending on the types and number of organisms present, and may appear similar to fungal or bacterial infections. Signs of a serious middle ear infection are: your dog seems to be out of balance, that is, he is wobbling. Your dog seems uncoordinated. Your dog goes around in circles. This is a serious infection that should be examined by a veterinarian immediately. 2. Should you clean your dog's ears? Dogs have a cleaning mechanism that will naturally keep them clean. This means that home ear cleaning should only be done in the following circumstances. Your dog has visibly dirty ears. Your dog comes from swimming or bathed. Your vet told you to do it while he was treating an ear infection. Your dog's ears should be cleaned with a solution developed specifically for this purpose. Don't use homemade recipes that contain hydrogen peroxide, vinegar, or alcohol, as these can irritate the ears or worsen an existing problem. 3. How to prevent bad smell in your dog's ear. To keep your dog's ears healthy, you should check them at least once a week. This allows you to catch any problem early and act before it becomes a serious problem. Some signs to look for are: odor, download, blood, swelling. If your dog has problems with his ear, you may also notice changes in his behavior, such as scratching the ears, shaking the head excessively, bow your head, it goes around in circles, he has no balance. If you have multiple dogs, another dog may pay more attention to his housemate's ears if there is a problem. If your dog has recurring infections, you should consult with your veterinarian about a treatment and cleaning regimen, and to tell you the possible causes. Would you like to have more professional information, and especially updated about your dog? Visit the website below in the description of this video. Do not stop subscribing to the channel, comment, and share the video. You are very well, thank you.